Mold yourself. Hi guys, please press the subscribe button and bell icon on the YouTube app. And never miss another update from Mold Yourself.
Women wants to look skinny and smart, as they create such image that many girls dream about having a skinny and tall look as the supermodels on the fashion show. Then the big question in these days: how to lose weight? So, today I am going to share a super healthy drink, which help you to lose weight faster than ever. Flush Fat Mango Detox Water. Ingredients: 4 to 6 raspberries, 4 to 6 blueberries, 3 slices of lemon, ½ cup of mango, 8 ounces of water, ton of ice. Place all the ingredients in a jar and enjoy. Belly Slimming Detox Water. Ingredients: ice, water, 3 basil leaves roughly chopped, 1 strawberry sliced, 4 to 6 slices of cucumber. Combine all the ingredients in a large glass and enjoy. Berry Fat Flush Detox Water. Ingredients: 8 ounces of water, 5 raspberries, 4 to 6 blueberries, 4 slices of cucumber, tons of water. Place all the ingredients in a glass and enjoy. Mint Fat Flush Detox Water. Ingredients: 24 ounces of water, 1 lime, 1 green tea bag, 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Fill a large jar of water. Add tea bag. Then allow to sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then add other ingredients in it. And cover. Skinny Wonder Detox Water. Ingredients: 2 to 4 slices of green apple sliced, 2 to 4 slices of cucumber, 8 ounces of water, tons of ice, small bit of mint, 3 slices of lemon. Place all the ingredients in a large glass. Drink 3 times a day.